we clean with water. Do you know, we can clean with fire. You can disinfect anything with fire. We sterilize things in hospital. It is through fire. Sterilization of, suppose, surgical tools, it is through fire. It is not through water alone. So fire has the agent or the ability to purify things. So how can we purify our mind? Yes, external help, good food, good thought, not good thought, good books, good environment, good company, these are external help. Inner help, good thought, but still then mind is not cooperating with good thought. The external inner help is pranayama. Practice pranayama. Pranayama is the inner fire ceremony which purifies the mind, purifies thought, purifies life. Pranayamat dahet papam. All impurities can be cleansed. Pranayamat dahet papam.